Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into Baidu's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Baidu, a leading AI company with a strong internet foundation, has just released its financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Baidu's latest performance and strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Baidu reported total revenues of $4.47 billion for the first quarter of 2025, marking a 3% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by Baidu Core, which saw a 7% increase in revenue year over year, largely due to the strong performance of their AI cloud business. However, it's worth noting that iQIYI's revenue decreased by 9%, which slightly offset the overall growth.
And what about profitability?
Baidu's net income surged to $1.6 billion, a 42% increase year over year. Operating income also saw a healthy rise to $621 million, up 15% from the previous quarter, indicating improved operational efficiencies.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Baidu reported an adjusted EPS of 2.55 cents, which is significantly higher than the forecasted $1.34. John, what does this tell us about Baidu's performance?
This is a substantial beat, indicating that Baidu has outperformed expectations by a wide margin. The strong EPS performance reflects the company's effective cost management and the robust growth in their AI cloud segment, which has been a key driver of profitability.
With only one analyst providing a forecast, how should investors interpret this beat?
While the number of analysts is limited, the significant beat suggests that Baidu's strategic initiatives, particularly in AI, are yielding positive results. Investors should view this as a strong indicator of the company's potential for sustained growth.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. John, Baidu has been making significant strides in its strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their AI cloud growth and market expansion efforts?
Certainly. Baidu's AI cloud revenue surged by 42% year over year, underscoring the growing market recognition of their AI capabilities. Additionally, their autonomous ride-hailing service, Apollo Go, expanded into Dubai and Abu Dhabi, marking a pivotal milestone in their international market expansion.
And what about their advancements in AI technology?
Baidu released enhanced versions of their ERNIE models, which offer improved performance at lower costs. This positions them well in the competitive AI landscape. Moreover, their commitment to returning value to shareholders is evident, with a $445 million share repurchase in Q1 2025.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss Baidu's operational efficiencies and future outlook. How has the company managed its expenses and cash flow?
Baidu's operating margin improved to 16%, reflecting better cost management. Notably, research and development expenses decreased by 15% year over year, primarily due to reduced personnel-related costs. However, their free cash flow was negative $1.23 billion, mainly due to increased investments in AI.
What does this mean for Baidu's future prospects?
Despite the negative free cash flow, Baidu's strong cash position of $19.57 billion provides a solid foundation for future investments. Their focus on AI and international expansion positions them well for long-term growth, as highlighted by their leadership's confidence in capturing opportunities in the AI era.
Key takeaways. In summary, Baidu has delivered a strong performance in the first quarter of 2025, with impressive revenue growth and a significant EPS beat. Their strategic focus on AI and market expansion is clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Baidu's investment prospects?
Baidu's robust performance and strategic initiatives make it an attractive investment, especially for those looking to capitalize on the AI revolution. Their strong cash position and commitment to innovation are key strengths.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Baidu's performance in the comments below.